A round of applause to Kong Torres.
Sir Carlo, please join me here, Carlo. Ang karon, no? Ako, napakaganda ng orientation na ito. Ang dami natin natutunan and I hope we have learned a lot and you can use this in your organization, clubs, or agencies. No? I invited Ma'am Caron and Sir Carlos, please join me. Click up on stage, please. Yeah, so very, very quick. Ano mga key takeaways natin dito sa seminar ito? Ano naalala mga words?
Ako, ABC ko na lang. Awareness, barrier, pero may community tayo of champions. Kaya for us, it starts with awareness to break down the barriers and we do it as a community of champions. ABC.
Wow, like ABC. Kayo po. Actually, ang narinig ko minsan yung investment, no? So, investment, today is an investment, no? Hindi siya pera, no? Pero yung knowledge, no? Information, which we can use in our endeavors in the future, no?
So ako naman ko, when I was preparing what I spoke about earlier, removing barriers yung nag-stick sa akin. And then next is the last conversation, kung meron ba silang balloon and ganun. We have to embrace them as the persons with disabilities as one with us because we are all in this country, we are all in the different events. So it has to be one with us. So we can't label and we just have to embrace each and every one of us. And then lastly, we should not be shy, or I should not be shy, to ask if they need help. Tama na ba? I mean, we can always ask, and they will say if they need help or not, and if not, we have to respect that. So I think these three, how do I remove barriers, and how can I embrace them as part of all of us, and I shouldn't be shy to ask if they need help.
Maganda yun. Lalo yung word na respect na nabanggit ni Ma'am Caron. No? A while ago, we were discussing on how to identify the person with disability from the non-disabled. No? And the main purpose for putting those markers, no, is just to give respect to them while they're participating. No? Maganda. Very, very nice. And I remember, Ma'am Caron, you said, as we step out, no, I hope we step up with something that we will continue or practice, no, in our areas of our fields of expertise. No? Anything else, Sir Carlos? ABC,
ABC, next thing to do, sign up na. And see you July 26. We look forward. Sana po mas marami pa tayong ma-invite. Very rich ng learning natin. Very meaningful our time together. But it should not stop here. I think our calling magsa-start paglabas po natin ng Rizal Memorial Sports Complex at sana ma-amplify natin and I think tama po yung sinabi nila, kulang yung time natin so kung meron pa po tayong interest to have more learnings, more knowledge about it, we'll discuss kung paano natin itutuloy ito. So again, thank you sa Philippine Sports Commission, Comwawi, thank you sa inyong puso sa inclusivity in sports.
Ako dapat mag-thank you for adopting this advocacy, no? So without you, syempre, di namin magagawa mag-isa. So please stay with me. So as we bring today's orientation to a close, I hope we leave with new knowledge and a new, renewed perspective. Today reminded us that inclusion is not achieved simply by opening our doors. We must also remove barriers, challenge assumptions, and make deliberate choices that allow every person to participate with dignity. In just few weeks, thousands of participants will gather for the 2026 Walk, Run, and Go. Siyempre, kasama kayo dyan, no? So please do not be absent, hanapin namin kayo. No? They may remember the excitement of crossing the finish line, receiving their medals, or sharing the experience with family, friends, teammates, and colleagues. What they will remember most, however, is how they were treated along the way. They will remember the kindness with which they were welcomed. They will remember the respect shown when assistance was offered. They will remember whether the race route allowed them to participate safely and confidently. These may seem like small actions, but together they define what inclusion truly looks like. Each of us each of us has an important role to play. Whether we are organizers, race officials, volunteers, or partners, we all contribute to creating an experience where every participant feels they belong. If, after the walk, run, and roll, a person with disability goes home feeling respected, included, and inspired to participate again, then we will have accomplished something far greater than organizing a successful event. We will have demonstrated the true spirit of sports for all. On behalf of the Philippine Sports Commission and Milo Philippines, thank you to our partners, our resource speakers, and to each one of you for your commitment to this shared mission. Together, let us make 2026 Walk, Run, and Roll a memorable event and a lasting example what inclusion in sports should look like. We look forward to seeing you on July 2026. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you very much. This officially closes the program. Before you leave, please, lunch will be served. Thank you.